Hi, my name is Ilene Hayes and I'm the Resource Coordinator at Mount Washington School. And my role as a Resource Coordinator is very multifaceted, but I would say my main focus is to bring in organizations that can support our students and families' interests and needs. Right now we have about 120 organizations that we partner with in our school, providing a wide range of services. And truly our partners vary in their involvement, from those that are here at our building every day, full-time, to those organizations that maybe only are involved with our school a few times per year, but everything in between. I would say that they are very helpful in ensuring that we reach our goal, which is to ensure that each and every one of our students succeeds academically. And truthfully, if it weren't for our partners, I'm not sure if that would happen. Another component of my job is that I do organize a lot of family engagement events, along with parent education programming, and we even do programs and events for the community. We partner very much with the Community Council and the Business Association, where we co-host all kinds of events, such as our Great American Cleanup, or scavenger hunt, or even our 5K race. As a resource coordinator, I feel very strongly that it's important that we maintain good relationships within our community, because if you have a strong school, you will have a strong community, and it'll be a wonderful place for everybody to live.